Got any parents or grandparents planning their next well-deserved retirement vacation? It's time to elevate the classic road trip, and we've got a few dash cams for that. The Thinkware X700 is the perfect piece of tech for road trips. It's super simple to use out of the box and comes with all of the essentials for you to start recording your adventures on the road. Everything is done on the touchscreen. Next, we have the VIOFO A129 Pro. This dashcam also comes with a display screen for control, but what we also love about this is that it comes with a mobile app so that you can download all the recorded files onto your smartphone or tablet and share around the world. And did we mention that this also records in 4K? The clarity is so clear that it's almost like you're with them, sitting in the front row. That's just a few things that these dash cams can do to turn an epic road trip into a memory that can be shared over and over and over again. Got any questions about the Thinkware X700 or the VIOFO A129 Pro? We're here to help. The Thinkware X700 is the perfect little piece of tech. I feel like I wanted to say piece of little piece of